2.5 question number 2 first part. For which values of a and b you have to find? Does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? Very important question, see carefully. Two equations are given. You have to find the a and b such that they have infinite number of solutions. If infinite number of solutions are there, their ratios will be equal. Now firstly you will do first two equations. You will get 2a plus b is equal to 3a minus b. You will solve it. 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. You will take a this side, you will take b this side. Sign will change. 2a minus a, 3a is minus a, and minus 3b minus 2b is minus 5b. Minus minus cancel, x a came 5b. This is first equation. Now you will take second and third. You can take first and third also. I am taking second and third. So you can take and you can solve it further. 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into a plus b. 3 into 3a 9a, 3 into b 3b, and 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 7a, 7 into b 7b. Now a you can bring this side. You will get 7a here plus 7 is there, so it will become minus 7a. Now 3b also you can write as it is. 7b you will take this side, it will become minus 7b. And 6 you can take that side. You can keep this also and afterwards you can take it, is your wish. Not necessary that as I am solving that way only you have to solve. But while solving you have to see this, that while you are changing the place, if you that digit is going that side, the sign is changing. If this side digit is coming this side, sign is changing. This you have to keep in mind. 9a minus 7a is 2a. 3b minus 7b is minus 4b equal to 6. This is second equation. Now this is first equation, this is second equation. Two equations, two variable. That means you can solve it. Put a is equal to 5b in equation 2. We get, because this way only we are solving, substitution method. So a you will put 5b minus 4b is equal to 6. 2 into 5 10. 10b minus 4b is equal to 6, which implies that 6b is equal to 6, which implies that b is equal to 6 over 6, that is 1. Now b came 1. Now you want a also you want. So a you know it is equal to 5b, so put b is equal to 1 in equation first. You can put in equation first also and equation second also, your wish. If you are putting in equation first, you are getting a into 5 into b value is 1, so in place of b you will put 1, so a will come 5. So a equal to 5 and b equal to 1 is the answer. Thank you.